Hi there, I am Peter Vox, Director and Principal Teacher at Vox Singing Academy. Welcome to another episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. If you like this channel, please click like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments section below and I will get to as many of them as I possibly can. If we could help you or someone that you know with their singing, we'd be absolutely honored. So please check out the links below for more info. Today's question is, what are the benefits of the Ultimate Online Singing Course compared to in-studio or online private face-to-face singing lessons? Okay, so there are a couple of huge advantages to do the Ultimate Online Singing Course. The number one huge advantage is you're going to save lots of money. Okay, that's really one of the main points that you're going to be doing, is you're going to be saving a lot of money. Private singing lessons with myself are $120 an hour. You can stream the Ultimate Online Singing Course, high definition courses for as little, the full course is starting for as little as $14.95 US, and short courses starting at as little as $7.95 US. I am instructing and on all of the courses as well too, so you're going to get the wealth of my knowledge. I've been a professional singing teacher for nearly 30 years now, so you're going to be with me in all of the videos, with me guiding you, and also a female teacher to guide you for the females, for the higher ranges as well too. Hygiene and safety. There will be no physical contact with the teacher or the external environment, so you can do your singing lessons wherever you want. So there'll be no traveling. So they're very safe for hygiene reasons, especially with all of the COVID-19 outbreaks that we've had. So they're very safe for that reason. You'll save lots of time and lots of money by not having to travel to your lessons or set up equipment for online singing lessons. So you'll be saving a lot of time and money that way. Major benefit is you can do them anywhere, any place. Okay, so you can do them at school, at home, walking. As long as you've got headphones, you can stream your classes wherever you want. It is good to also look at the videos because you can see what the actual teachers are doing and guiding you through them. But you can do them without looking at the videos as well too. You can listen to them. You can practice along with your scales, the workouts, the breathing, the microphone technique. Whatever it is, you can always do that without looking at the videos as well too. So you can do them anywhere, anytime. One of the major benefits is that you can study and progress at your own pace. Okay, this is very important. My singing lessons, as I said, they're $120 an hour. So my lessons are very intense. They're jam-packed full of value, jam-packed full of information. I'm trying to give my students as much information and value as I possibly can. So they're super intense, super high energy. And I'm really giving my students a lot of information. All of my students always have to be warmed up before they come to their class, so that we're going to be going bang straight into the classes. So they're super intense, super high energy. But with the Ultimate Online Singing Course, you can practice at your own pace and progress as you wish. And that's a key advantage as well too. So you're not feeling like you're under pressure to get as much out of my online singing lessons or in studio classes. You can progress at your own pace. You don't have to put up with my intense lessons as well too. That might not be your cup of tea. The Ultimate Online Singing Course is also perfect for touring performers. If you're on the road, if you're traveling, if you're in a recording studio, or if you're just unable to attend one of our numerous Melbourne studios or take online singing lessons, there's a key advantage as well too. You can also pay via PayPal, so the overseas conversion is converted as well too. These lessons are all in US dollars as well too, so the pricing is in US dollars. That's pretty much it. They're the key advantages. Again, please, if you like to compare courses to courses or courses to lessons, please check out in the links below. We have the links below there for both of our websites, voxsingingacademy.com.au for our online singing lessons and in-studio singing lessons. and the Ultimate Online Singing course, which is voxsingacademy.com, so you can compare the two. That's giving you a run through with the key advantages of the Ultimate Online Singing course compared to in-studio and private singing lessons. Hope that answers your question. If we could be, as I said, if we could give you singing lessons or someone that you know, we'd be absolutely honoured. Please check out the links below for more info. You like this channel, please click like and subscribe. But the bottom line is enjoy your singing, be good to each other, peace and much love, until I see you next time. Bye-bye.